sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
This is the monthly prediction for the fire sign Aries for the month of June 2024. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If you are seeing this on or before June 30, there might be a message for you. To book your personal readings with me, please message us on our Facebook page, M's Guide Tarot Reading, on our Instagram account at M's Guide, or you can also message us on our TikTok account at M's Guide. Beware that there are fake accounts lurking. Stay vigilant and don't get scammed. So the theme for the month of June 2024 for the fire sign Aries is peace. So ang ibig sabihin niyan, palagi niyong iisipin kung saan kayo mas makakakuha ng katahimikan. So, choose your battles wisely. Yun yung theme for the month of June. So, if may mga tao na nagpo-provoke sa inyo or natitrigger kayo, isipin niyo palagi na wasted energy is wasted time. So, put your energy into something useful than putting it into something na stress lang kayo at hindi rin kayo magiging productive. So, this section of the reading is all about your forecast pagdating sa usapang pag-ibig, or this is a love prediction or love forecast for the month of June for the fire sign Aries. And this is for all of you who are single. So, with the first set of cards here, ang sinasabi, mukhang matatapos na yung pagiging single nyo. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. There is someone, you will be meeting someone who will be very fiery. Someone who has the same fire element as you are, represented by the Knight of Wands in the upright. So, it's possible na makilala mo itong taong ito when you go to a gathering or maybe a party or a social event. But, wag mo masyadong i-overthink. It's nice na makipag-socialize with other people. Wag mo masyadong i-overthink na baka yung i-overthink mo na agad yung future. Just have fun, go out and play and be in your playful and friendly energy. Yun ang first set of cards here. Next set of cards here, ang sinasabi dito, wag niyong bibiglain yung taong darating sa buhay niyo na tatanungin niyo siya agad na, "Uy, baka gusto mong parang you will ask casually na, what are your thoughts about marriage? Kasi baka magulat at mabigla itong person na darating sa buhay niyo." Wag gano'n. Just have fun and simple and friendly talks. Kasi it might come out very aggressive to the person that you are talking to na marriage kaagad at or kunwari having babies agad ang pag-uusapan nyo. It will rub off the wrong way to the person that you are or you will be talking with. So the last card here is the guidance for your love department, and the card that came out is the Page of Cups in the upright. So just have fun. Huwag kayong masyadong mag-overthink ng situation. Have fun. Madaming isda sa karagatan. There are many fishes in the sea. And have fun, love yourself, be happy, be in your playful energy. Wag yung parang gusto mo agad na magkaroon ng relationship. Yes, manifest that the right person will come for you. Pray for the right person that will come. Parang ipagdasal mo na darating yung person in the right time for you. And wag mong masyadong stress yung sarili mo na parang do not be hopeless when it comes to love. If you are single, have that hope na darating yung person para sa'yo. Okay, so this is the part of your forecast na about naman sa career nyo pagdating sa June 2024 for the fire sign Aries. And it's saying here na mukhang madaming wealth at pera ang darating sa inyo pagdating sa June 2024 as represented by the King of Pentacles in the upright. Pero, ang sinasabi dito, hindi ito agad-agad makukuha. Kasi you have to scour yourself or you have to fight for your right to get that abundance and money and wealth. Kasi it seems like this is a competition. So, meron kang mga ibang kakompetisyon pagdating dito sa career mo and you need to fight for your place. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. You need to speak up and tell them na kung ano yung edge mo over others. And when you speak up, that is the time that the opportunity will be given to you para makakuha ka ng abundance this June. The next set of cards here, it looks like magkakaroon ng imbalance or hindi magiging balanse ang buhay mo pagdating sa career and at the same time pagdating sa personal life mo. Kasi with the Two of Pentacles in the reverse, mahihirapan ka na balansehin. Parang kumbaga yung work-life balance mo, you will be more on putting your career first rather than your personal life or your social life. And it's saying here, you will be very invested sa career. And to the point na you will be emotional. Kaya ang sinasabi dito, you have to detach yourself from yung mga bagay-bagay. So, wag mong pe-personalin pag kunwari inaatake ka ng ibang tao kasi alam mo yung performance mo. So, you know how you work and you know how you get things done. Kapag inatake ka personally ng mga katrabaho mo, wag kang magpapaapekto kasi that would lead you to your downfall. The last set of cards here is the guidance for you pagdating sa career mo. And the card that came out is the Seven of Cups in the upright. So, June will be a very busy month for you. And always remember na if you are if the workload is too much, you have to talk and tell your side of the story. So, kunwari, masyado ng madaming binibigay sa yung trabaho, magsalita ka. Kasi, it will come to a point na sobrang chaotic ng workplace na ma-overwhelm ka sa trabaho na ibibigay sa'yo. And to the point na parang hindi mo matatapos yung mga trabaho kasi sunod-sunod yung ibibigay because you don't know how to manage yung time management mo at yung how to get things done. You will be very scattered this month of June. So, prioritize your emotional well-being. If you feel na nababurn out ka na sa career, take a break. Yun ang guidance para sa'yo. Okay, so the last prediction here for the month of June 2024 for the fire sign Aries is all about your relationship with your family or your inner circle and your friends. And the first set of cards here, ang sinasabi, mukhang magkakaroon ka ng problema pagdating sa mga kaibigan or sa inner circle mo. Dahil may lalabas na mga usap-usapan tungkol sa'yo and you will not be taking it very parang positively. You will be taking it a little bit negatively. Masasaktan ka with regards to this talk or yung mga gossip or mga nagmamarites tungkol sa'yo. At ang gagawin mo ay magiging mailap ka dito sa mga taong pinag-uusapan ka. The next set of cards here, you do not need to worry kasi magkakaroon naman ng tuldok or mabibigyan ng liwanag itong yung mga chismis tungkol sa'yo. Magkakaroon ng madaming usap-usapan tungkol dito pero it will be proven wrong by the people around you. So the justice will be given to you at yung mga nagsabi ng mga maling information tungkol sa'yo ay makakakuha ng karma. The last set of cards here, the King of Wands in the upright, just sit on your throne. Yun ang advice para sa iyo pagdating sa family and friends or sa inner circle mo. Sit on your throne dahil you know better. Ikaw ang King of Wands or you are the Queen of Wands. You might get emotional about the things that you will be hearing from your inner circle, yung mga chismis tungkol sa'yo, pero wag mong pansinin itong mga sabi-sabi or haka-haka tungkol sa'yo. You know better, alam mo kung ano yung tama at yung ano yung mali. Wag mong patulan. Wag kang gaganti sa kanila. Yun ang advice na binibigay sa'yo ng cards.